What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to J Wheelie. So today is a different kind of video. Today is 3 reasons why I love my Legacy GT, my JDM Legacy GT, that is. Okay, so reason 1 is going to be the engine. So let me pop the hood here and we'll show it to you. So this engine in the 2004 JDM Legacy GT is the EJ20Y. So the EJ20Y is 280 horsepower and 253 pound-feet of torque. And I like it because one reason I don't like it first, and that's because it doesn't have the classic Subaru rumble, the burble sound, like the unequal length headers. Now, this car gives up that sound for equal length headers, so it sounds more like a Honda, if you will, or any other turbocharged car because it doesn't have unequal length headers. But what it does have is a twin-scroll turbo. So this turbo spools quicker than any North American Subaru, and it just rips. To be honest, it makes good power and it just rips. So that's number 1, is the power. The second thing I love about the Legacy is this. The storage. So forgive me, I have a bunch of clothes back here and garbage, but we can fit 2 full-size mountain bikes in here. My girlfriend and I do many biking trips. 2 full-size mountain bikes, no issues. We've packed multiple cabinets in here and just many things. It's like a little mini pickup truck. It fits a lot of storage. It's awesome. And another thing in the storage would be the back seats here. So fold the back seats up, and it is a little dark in here. This rear light doesn't work or I'd turn it on. But for seating positions, the seats recline, and you also have a nice little armrest there. So that's reason 2, is the storage. It's amazing, so amazing. And the third and final reason why I love my Legacy GT is the way it looks, the aesthetics. I always love these things. So the first thing that I always loved about the Legacies was this continuous black panel of windows. I think that's so cool how Range Rovers do this as well. They kind of separate the roof from the rest of here. There's no C-pillar here. Well, there is a C-pillar, but it's not silver like the rest of the body color of the car. And just with certain wheels on the car, it just looks very good. What we did is we polished up the headlights as well when I got it and put some 3M film on there, so it keeps them looking nice and new and crisp. And like the hood scoop from this angle. I love the black grille. I love the little boxer front plate delete here, if you can see that. There's 2 pistons shooting outwards, and it just looks great. Like, my girlfriend got me these little vinyl overlays. I get some compliments on those. The signals in the mirrors, nice 17-inch wheels, Bilstein suspension. It's just a great little car. So when I imported this thing from Japan, it came with this Fujitsu exhaust. So 2, looks like 4-inch mufflers on the back. And what I did is I went ahead and punched out the cats myself. So it's catless, and all that's in the exhaust system is a resonator and then 2 straight through mufflers. So it does have a good purr to it. I'll let you guys hear that right about now. And this is your interior, like the cleanest display. When you start it up, it's like an STI. It has the needle sweep. It looks super great. And here's the inside. It looks amazing. It's got your sunglasses holder. I use that all the time. Got your mirrors, of course. Tons of storage. It's awesome. It's super awesome. Okay, we'll rev it up here. I never get sick of that. Oh, and a bonus 4th thing I love about the Legacy, which any car guy, if you're a car guy, you know this. If your car ever shoots a flame, you are in awe and you need somebody to take a video of it or to get a picture of it. And this thing will shoot flames. If you saw back a few videos ago of the the drift video was the first drift video of this year that I posted. This thing shot a nasty flame out of this tailpipe. So this thing apparently shoots some nice, like, well, actually I've seen them. Yeah, it shoots some nice, like, foot flames out of both exhaust pipes too. So it's amazing. This thing just really surprised me. And for what it is, they're pretty darn cheap. Like, these things, so much better. I wouldn't say so much better, but I think they're better than an STI, a North American STI that always blow up and everything if you want to tune them. These ones, fairly reliable. I've had to replace a few things, but that's like any car. Keep up with your oil changes and everything. They're just amazing cars, and they make such good power too. And man, I only have good things to say about this. I might make a video in the future of things that I don't like about the car, but there's nothing I hate about this car. It's so amazing. So that's really all I have for you guys tonight for this video. And thank you for watching. If you're considering getting one of these Legacies, the BP5s, I would say do it. Like, it is so worth it. It was a gamble because I imported this thing, so you're slapping down all this money and you don't know what you're gonna get. You don't get to test drive the car, but honestly, very worth it. 100% worth it. Thank you guys very much. We'll see you in the next one.